What's going on, guys? Welcome to this stock market recap for the week of May 30th through June 6th. I'm Robert Montes with Link Financial Advisory, here to give you what helped the market, what hurt the market, and your key takeaways. Let's get into what helped the market. Last week was a positive week all the way around. All the major indices were up. We saw the S&P 500 up about 1.5%. The Dow was up 1.2%, and the Nasdaq finished up about 2.2%. The key drivers for why we saw pretty much nothing but ups here domestically was, number one, very strong job reportings. Analysts were anticipating about 125,000 to maybe 130,000 new jobs created in the month of May. We surpassed that, and we saw about 139,000 new jobs created in the month of May. When you mix that with very low inflation numbers, we've been kind of in that Goldilocks zone of around 2.5% or less. Very strong positive indicators. So that's really good news. Also, there's talks about next week the Fed actually lowering interest rates. We'll see if that happens, but that would be another very positive indicator. Trade talks with China and the United States have also been going very well. So easing those tensions regarding tariffs is a very positive thing. So that continued to help. As far as what hurt the market, it was kind of hard to find things that hurt last week. The main takeaways were more like specific to individual companies. So an example was Tesla stock last week. We saw a 14% dip in its stock price. It was followed by about a 3% recovery. A lot of that had to do with just what was going on between President Trump and Elon Musk on Twitter. They're back and forth. That's always interesting. If you missed it on X, it was a good time. So maybe check that out. But that was more specific to their individual companies. Let's get into key takeaways. Key takeaways, I would say now is a perfect time to focus on the fundamentals. Guys, we're about halfway through 2025. Crazy to think about. But if you haven't reviewed your strategy in a while, now's a good time to do that. Also, get back to the fundamentals of paying attention to your budget. There's so many great tools out there that can help with budgeting. They can help with debt elimination. They can help with keeping track of your finances as a whole. Don't ignore those things. It does make a big difference. If you guys have questions, we are here to help. We are a resource. If you're looking for a second opinion, maybe you just had an inheritance, maybe you're a 401k plan administrator and you're looking for ways to really elevate the financial literacy in your organization, we are your team. Reach out to us at Link Financial Advisory. Happy to help and provide a second set of eyes for any questions you have and be your go-to resource when it comes to financial planning. Thank you guys so much. Until next week, we'll catch you then. Have a great day and stay safe out there.